In this video, we are going to learn how to get and download the data from the ProS database. Now, first step is to have the list of the companies in the file. You will first go to companies and sets. Under this, there are various options. If you know the company name you are going to use, you will select company by name. Under this, there are two options, search in ProS database or select company name from file. Search in ProS database means you want to write the name of the company and you have to search in the database. Then, for example, if I am writing here Reliance Industries, enter, and you can see Reliance Industries has come here, and I will click on this, that is add all the entities from the list, and it will go there. Otherwise, if you have the list of the companies you want to work upon in the Excel sheet, then you will select this option and I will press this reset button and again, okay. Now select company name from file. Again, there are two options. If you know the entire file path, you can write down here, or otherwise go on to the file, Excel file, copy the name of the companies and then paste over here, and that is the best option. For example, this is the list of the company I'm having. I will select all these companies. Let us say these are certain 15 companies, copy. Again, I will go back to ProS and then I will paste it over here. You can see all the companies has come. Now I will press on this button. All 50 companies are come here. What I will do is send to new OSC because I am using these company set for the first time and first output sheet I'm generating. So you have to send to new OSC. Now you will see that new output has started blinking. You will click on this new output, then click on continue, and you will see that list of 50 companies have been created. Now if you want to work upon this list, you will go to query builder. Under the query builder, for example, if I want to have certain information from the financial statement, I will click on financial statement. I will click on annual financial statement, for example. Then the required things will be selected. For example, I wish to have this data, total income, change in stock. Two things have been selected and they will come here. Then there are certain points which you have to keep in mind while before giving the command. That is, for example, here currency is being mentioned by default in rupees million. If you want to change, you can change it over here in rupees crore. Generally crores mein data hame required hota hai. Then you have to select here companies in current OSC only. Fine. That means the list I am having in the current output sheet only I require the data for that set of companies. Then you will click on this option add data to OSC, which means कि जो मेरी already output sheet है उसमें वो data क्या कर दो add कर दो. So if I will click upon this, then I have to wait till the time the new output start blinking. So I have to wait before that. So you will see it is taking time. Okay, now you can see that new output is started blinking. I will click on that. Then I will click on continue. And you will see that total income and change in stock or for all these 50 companies have come. Now this is one thing. Now what do you understand by the term L? L का यहाँ पर मतलब होता है means current period only. So if you want to have the data simultaneously for certain number of years, then what you have to do is you will again go to query builder. Now this is L. L means current year. If I will put here L10, that means I need require the data for the 10 years. ठीक है, that is last 10 years. So L10, again everything will remain the same, and I will add the data to OSC, and again I have to wait till the time new output start blinking. So then I will show you that what is the meaning of the L minus 1, L minus 2, L minus 3, but we have to wait here till the output sheet is being generated, and you will get the data for the last 10 years for that 50 companies, and the data will be regarding the total income, change in stock. If you wish to have certain other indicators, you can check upon as per your requirement. Now you can see that new output has started blinking. I will click on that. I will click on continue. And then you can see total income, change in stock data is being there for certain number of years. Now if you will go here, that is C. L. L का मतलब यहाँ पर क्या है? L means current year. L minus 1 means previous year. Previous 2 year, previous 3 year, previous 4 year, previous 7th year, previous 9th year. That means यहाँ पर L minus 9 का मतलब क्या है? Previous 10th year का data. That is L मतलब current year, minus 9 का मतलब यह है कि आपका 10th year का data है. मुझे 10 years का data यहाँ पर मिल गया है. ठीक है, as you can see. So this is how we work upon on the ProS. Now if you want to save this data in your computer in the Excel format, then you will go here, that is save as Excel. For example, I'm saving the data on my desktop, save, and this data is being saved. Now, if you can see, if I go to my desktop, book 1 is here. If I will open it, then see, entire data is being downloaded in the Excel sheet. So this is the best part of the ProS. Again, if I go to my ProS query builder to show you certain more things. Now here you can, for example, in case of company and sets, if you do not know the name of the companies you want to work upon, so you can also use the select companies in predefined sets. Under this, you can see, so there are certain options which are being given, like for example, industries में से आप कौन सी industry चाहते हो, non financial, financial, BSE index में से आप कौन सी list of companies you require, NSE में से for which list you require, and there are certain merged companies, non-financial index, listed companies, BSE listed company, NSE listed company. So these are certain predefined sets which are already there in the ProS database. So this is the basic regarding the usage of the ProS database. I hope you have liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.